Hey everyone, I've got a delivery here, a new Kizer knife that I ordered. It is the Kizer Quoll, if I'm saying that correctly. Quoll, I believe. Yes, Quoll. Let's open this up and see how it looks. Comes in a little black bag here. Looks so probably doubles a cleaning cloth. Nice soft case. Before we get to the fancy part, we'll see what else it all comes with. Little Kizer book. Let's see. Basically letting you know if you need any help with anything. There's some QR codes to scan in the back. Actual cleaning cloth for it. A baggie with some extra screws. And a sticker. So the actual knife itself, if I can get this open here. A titanium Damascus. The S45 steel. Definitely very sharp looking. No pun intended. This will be my nice, when I get dressed up knife. I think some people call them like a gentleman's knife. There you go. I think it definitely looks better in person than what it did online. Well, hopefully this thing will hold up for me. Have a good day.